In modern warfare, the ability to remain undetected is a crucial advantage. The element of surprise can often determine the outcome of a conflict, making stealth technology a game-changer on the battlefield. Stealth technology, with its ability to render aircraft practically invisible to radar, has revolutionized air combat. These advancements allow for unprecedented strategic maneuvers and surprise attacks. For decades, this cutting-edge technology was primarily the domain of a select few powerful nations. These countries invested heavily in research and development to maintain their edge. However, times are changing. Iran, a country often associated with more conventional military doctrines, has been quietly developing its own stealth capabilities. This shift marks a significant departure from their traditional strategies. This development has sent ripples of concern across the international community, raising questions about the future of regional stability. The implications of such advancements are far-reaching. This essay delves into the secretive world of Iran's stealth technology. We will uncover the layers of secrecy and explore the motivations behind these advancements. We will examine the known programs, analyze the claimed capabilities, and assess the potential impact on the regional balance of power. Understanding these elements is crucial for global security. Join us as we unveil the truth behind Iran's stealth tech secrets. The journey promises to be revealing and insightful. The pursuit of stealth technology by a nation like Iran has significant implications. It challenges the existing power dynamics and introduces new variables into the equation. It reflects a broader shift in military thinking and underscores the escalating complexities of modern warfare. The landscape of conflict is evolving rapidly. Understanding the motivations, capabilities, and potential threats posed by Iran's stealth ambitions is essential for policymakers and defense analysts worldwide. Staying informed is the first step towards effective strategy and response. Iran's fascination with stealth technology is not new. It has deep roots in the country's strategic military planning and defense policies. It stems from a desire for self-reliance and a determination to counter the perceived technological superiority of its adversaries. This drive for independence has been a cornerstone of Iran's defense strategy. This ambition was fueled by decades of sanctions and arms embargoes, which forced Iran to innovate and develop indigenous defense solutions. The necessity to overcome these challenges has spurred significant advancements in their military technology. The 1980s Iran-Iraq War, with its intense aerial engagements, highlighted the vulnerability of Iran's air force. The conflict underscored the urgent need for more advanced and reliable military equipment. This experience served as a stark reminder of the need for advanced technology to level the playing field. It became clear that without technological parity, Iran's defense capabilities would remain compromised. Since then, Iran has embarked on a path of technological advancement, seeking to acquire or develop the means to challenge its rivals in the skies. This journey has been marked by both successes and setbacks. The quest for stealth technology became a cornerstone of this ambition. Stealth capabilities are seen as essential for modern warfare, and a key to maintaining strategic advantage. Iran's engineers and scientists have been working tirelessly to unlock the secrets of radar-evading designs. Their efforts are aimed at creating aircraft that can operate undetected by enemy radar systems. This pursuit has led to a number of intriguing, albeit controversial projects that have captured the world's attention. These projects reflect Iran's ongoing commitment to advancing its military capabilities. In 2013, Iran shocked the world by unveiling the Qahr F-313, a sleek, futuristic aircraft touted as an indigenous stealth fighter jet. The announcement was met with a mix of skepticism and concern. While Iranian officials hailed it as a technological marvel, many international observers questioned its authenticity and capabilities. The F-313's design, with its unusual canted tail fins and small size, raised eyebrows among aviation experts. Some pointed out that the cockpit appeared cramped and lacked sophisticated avionics. Others questioned the aircraft's ability to achieve supersonic speeds or carry a meaningful payload. Despite the doubts, Iran maintains that the F-313 is a fully operational stealth fighter jet. They claim it possesses advanced radar-evading capabilities and can outperform its Western counterparts. However, independent verification of these claims remains elusive. Section 4 Drones, Iran's stealthy surprise. While the true capabilities of the F-313 remain shrouded in mystery, there's no denying Iran's progress in another area of stealth technology: unmanned aerial vehicles, more commonly known as drones. These drones are not just experimental. They are operational and have been tested in various scenarios. Iran has emerged as a major player in the drone arena, developing a diverse fleet of UAVs with increasingly sophisticated capabilities, including stealth features. This development has not gone unnoticed by global military analysts. Iran's drones have been deployed in various conflicts and operations across the Middle East. Their presence has been felt in numerous hotspots, altering the dynamics of these conflicts. They have been used for reconnaissance, surveillance, and even attack missions, demonstrating their versatility and effectiveness. These missions have showcased the drone's ability to adapt to different combat situations. The incorporation of stealth technology into these drones has raised concerns about their potential to evade detection and carry out surprise attacks. This capability makes them a formidable tool in modern warfare. Iran's growing drone program is a testament to its adaptability and determination to acquire advanced military capabilities. The country has invested heavily in research and development to stay ahead in this field. It also highlights the evolving nature of warfare, where unmanned platforms are playing an increasingly prominent role. As technology advances, the use of drones in military operations is expected to grow even further. Section 5: International Assessments, Doubts, and Concerns. The emergence of Iran's stealth technology has not gone unnoticed by the international community. Defense analysts and intelligence agencies around the world are closely monitoring Iran's progress, trying to assess the true extent of its capabilities and the potential threat it poses. While opinions vary, there is a general consensus that Iran's stealth technology is still in its early stages of development. Many experts believe that Iran is still years, if not decades, behind the United States and other leading military powers in terms of stealth technology. However, there is also a recognition that Iran is making strides and should not be underestimated. Iran's determination to acquire advanced weapon systems, coupled with its history of reverse engineering foreign technology, raises concerns about its ability to close the technology gap. Section 6: Countering the Stealth, a Game of Cat and Mouse. The development of stealth technology is a constant game of cat and mouse. As stealth technology advances, so do the methods of detecting and countering it. Countries concerned about Iran's stealth ambitions are investing heavily in research and development to maintain their technological edge. Advanced radar systems, infrared detectors, and other sophisticated sensors are being developed and deployed to detect and track stealth aircraft. These systems exploit the subtle signatures that even the most advanced stealth aircraft can emit, making them vulnerable to detection. The development of counter-stealth technologies is crucial for maintaining military superiority in an era of rapidly evolving threats. It is a constant race against time and technology, as nations strive to stay one step ahead of their adversaries. Section 7: Conclusion: The Future of Stealth in the Middle East. Iran's foray into the world of stealth technology has added a new layer of complexity to the already volatile Middle East. While the true capabilities of Iran's stealth programs remain uncertain, their very existence has shifted the regional balance of power significantly. The pursuit of stealth technology by Iran is a clear indication of its ambition to project power and deter its adversaries effectively. It also highlights the changing nature of modern warfare, where technology is playing an increasingly decisive role. As Iran continues to develop its stealth capabilities, the international community will be watching closely, assessing the implications for regional stability and global security. The quest for the ultimate weapon, invisibility, continues to captivate military strategists worldwide.